Hey, who the fuck are you coming around here? Creeping in my backyard, motherfucker.
What is that? Like an 8-inch tall sheriff?
No, it's like somebody that's like back in like where I grew up, Eastern Kentucky, who has probably like a trach or something.
Oh, they got the yeah.
They're like, but they're smoking in their trach, and they're like,
What are you doing in my backyard, you little son of a bitch?
oh, my basketball flew over here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I bet. Get the fuck out of here.
See you at church on Sunday.
Tell your grandma said hi, though. You little shit.
Are you eating enough?
Tell her to bring some of that homemade jelly over. Now get the fuck out of here.
Oh, we have fun here. You ready for some... Let me do that again. Are you ready for some... Nope, don't like that either. I went so far the opposite way.
Yep.
Here we see the bird chirping away in its natural habitat. If we let the cat out of the house, it's more than likely going to attack it. And then, the head of the household is going to have to clean up the carcass.
And that's just the cycle of life.
Or take the risk of letting it sit there and erode. And or maybe a hungry buzzard will fly by, see that it needs a meal, see that its food is waiting there for it, and will then swoop down, devour the remains, and leave. How pretty is that chirping sound?
I love how it just all comes back to that's a pretty sound.
Isn't it a beautiful sight?
And now the slaughter begins.
Oh yeah, cinnamon mocha.
I feel like I've lost my mind. I don't know what it is, but today I feel like out of my gourd.
I think my Perry's gone crazy.
So much of this is just for Patreon.
Yeah, Patreon.